All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and I have the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Matte Black case here for my OnePlus 10 Pro. Now this case is gonna come in at $13.99 on Amazon with Prime shipping. So if you do wanna buy this case for your 10 Pro after watching this video, do follow my affiliate links down in the description. So as far as the actual box goes that it comes in, it's just like any other normal Spigen box, right? So you have the logo here, picture of the phone. Now, obviously they have the emerald colored one there, but it says for the 10 Pro. Now I have been using this case since I got the phone today. So I did already take the film off here. And then of course on the back, it's just a bunch of mumbo jumbo, but there's the box, just like all the other Spigen boxes. And here is the actual case. So obviously it's the matte black version. So you have that clear polycarbonate back with the TPU matte black frame around it. On the inside, we do get our air cushion technology in the corners. So that way, if you do drop the phone, it will help to hopefully prevent a break. But as you can see there, that's kind of the look of the inside. So let's grab my volcanic black 10 Pro and let's go ahead and just pop this bad boy in. So pretty easy install, and there it goes. Let me wipe it down real quick. All right, so there we go, guys. So there is the Ultra Hybrid Matte Black installed. So as you can see here, definitely allows you to show off the beautiful volcanic black color. And then as you can see, obviously, like I said, that matte black side definitely is going to help with grip. This is probably personally one of my favorite cases of all time, just in general, because I'm a big fan of showing off the beauty of the phone, but also putting skins on. But as you can see here, looks like we have a really nice lip that's going around the actual camera bump arrangement there. Looks pretty good, not very huge by any means, but I do wish that they would have had the clear part come all the way out over here instead of having that chunkier matte black color there. But is what it is. Doesn't look terrible, but definitely going to get some great lens protection. So there's a look of the back. Now let's look at the side here. So on the side, we do have our matte black rails that go all the way around. We have a raised power button, as you can see here, and then a nice little cutout for our alert slider. And then going to the bottom, we do have a nice little cutout for our USB-C port and our mic and speaker. And then going to this side, there is our raised power buttons that are up and down right there. And then we do have, some Spigen branding there, so very minimal. And then at the top, we do have a hole punch cutout there for the mic up top. And then kind of that flat top as well to kind of mimic the top of the phone. So there we go. Looking at the front, we do have some raised lips that are a little more prominent on the forehead and chin, just because this phone screen isn't completely flat. There is a tiny bit of a curve, but it's not very extreme, so it's not terrible. But definitely some lenses, definitely some screen protection all around for sure. And then looking here at the top, there's your nice giant cutout for the speaker grill up top. So that's once again the look from the front. So now let's go ahead and do the wobble test and let's see how shaky it is. So let's do back down first. So a little bit of a shake from the top, but it's not too crazy, but definitely a shake a little bit. And then face down, actually a little bit of a shake too. Not much, but there is a little bit of a wobble for some reason, because it does look very flat, but I don't know, maybe it just isn't. And now let's do the clicky button test. Let's do power button first. And volume up and down. All right, very, very clicky buttons, guys. Absolutely love the buttons. And now let's go ahead and see how easy it is to play with that alert slider here. So no issues at all. Don't want to do silent mode. We'll put it back on. We'll do ring, why not? So easy to access that as well. And let's see, last but not least, let's do our Qi wireless charging test. So I have a Spigen charger here. Let's slap it on. And it instantly is recognizing that it is on a Qi wireless charger. So it does say charging wirelessly there. So I'm going to take it off, do it one more time. So as you can see, there's the animation. So definitely Qi wireless charging compatible with this case. So for $13.99, guys, this is a no-brainer. It's Spigen, it's a great case. Obviously, they're known for their cases, so I definitely would highly recommend it. It's a big phone, but like I said in my unboxing video, it isn't terrible as far as the weight and size goes, surprisingly. So it's not going to be resistant against smudges, but fingerprints it will, but smudges it won't. But like I say in all my videos, just use your shirt or something, guys. Wipe it down if you're OCD like me. But there you have it. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. We'll see you on the next one.